Hey, it's me Spanky, and today I'm gonna share with you my top 5 game development lessons that I learned by working as a freelance game developer. And just God knows how many hours of my life would have been saved if I only had known this mistake that I was making when I was starting out. But you can save your precious time, money, and effort by avoiding these 5 mistakes that I made. When I came to game development, my prime motivation was around battle royale and horror games like PUBG and Outlaw. But realizing that it's actually too big to be created from a single beginner game developer like me was too hard of thing to accept. And it took me a lot of time to understand and accept this reality. Especially when you look at channels like Danny who's creating clones of each famous games in just weeks, not months. That's insane, right? But that's not reality for all of us out here. Unless you are someone as smart as Danny.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
So if you are not as smart as Danny, please don't go to the top and try making these big games. Your first at least 10 games should be small. Maybe your games are trash at the start. And that's fine. Just make them as you like. Add some nice little features and create new games again. Experiment with different genres and find which one works best for you. If you want to try making a 3D game, that's great. If not, you can make a 2D game. Maybe simple board games or some platformer. But stay small and learn. That's the core of starting a game development career. Now that might be strange to you, but my advice will be not to plan your entire game at the start. I know you have heard many times that do the proper planning, create a GDT and all that high profile stuff, but that's not relevant for everyone. As far as I think, you don't need to plan everything at the start when you're creating a small project. And I don't think you will ever need a GDT when you're creating a game alone. Many people say GDT is must and you need to mention every detail in it. But when you're creating a game alone, you should open yourself for appearance changes. And the main reason for not to create a GDT is you might not have enough knowledge to create a proper GDT. And if your GDT is not properly made, it will confuse you. Yes, GDT is very important when you're creating a game in a team, since it helps assure that everyone in the team is on the same page. But as a solo developer, just save time and create some simple nodes and move on. Playtest your game whenever you add a new feature or do something new in the project. Give it a try. Test it in different possible ways and make sure it works properly. If you have friends and family that really are loyal to you, send them a small playtest and get their honest feedback. As developer, we only test the game as it was intended to be played. But gamers often go beyond our imagination. So it's very important to get the game playtested by others so you can fix those hidden bugs. You know, the bugs that are hidden underneath your pad? Find them and take them out and smack them out of the game. And doing it early in the development is a smart move. It saves you a lot of time. You can mark my words on this. I had worked with so many clients and created a lot of games, like maybe 50 plus, but not all of them worked. Sometimes ideas does sound really interesting and cool, but the gameplay doesn't work like it should be, and we need to just leave it. If you're working on a client's project, it's always a good idea to finish the work anyways, but if you're working on a custom project, you should give your other ideas a chance. But hey, don't get me wrong, you don't have to do it very frequently. You need to try everything you possibly can, and if it's still not working, you need to let it go and give something else a try. My fifth and last advice will be do not work underground. I worked for years and yet never created connection in the community. Nobody knows me online except a few people. Don't make the same mistake. Let people know that you are a new developer starting out, or maybe you have experience. But just do make the connection. Just do it. Join some game jams, ask around forums, build your Reddit or X, I don't know. Help the community grow with you. Everything you post online will help the community grow. And the community will help you in your bad time. And who knows, maybe you will get potential clients online from this platform. So don't let this slide. It's one of my worst regrets, and you don't do the same. And with that said, this video comes to end. Let me know in the comment section what should we talk about next. What type of video should I be making? And if you are new, please do subscribe for more game dev related content. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment what should I improve. Until then, stay happy and goodbye.